Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I am going to do laundry, guys. I missed some uploads, I think for 2 weeks, but it wasn't deliberately so, because I always record my videos over the weekend, and if my weekend is committed, then that means I will miss an upload. And if I come back tired from work, that's when I also don't have a video. I won't make a video in the afternoon, the likes of cook in the evening with me. But anyway, how are you guys? I am fine. And yeah, I'm tired. I'm so tired because of the year. It's been long and it's going to an end. I need to just rest from everything, like going to work. When are we closing? Like, I'm so in a hurry to close and go back to rest at home. Even though you know when you go home, you are not going to rest. I still have to do some things in my yard, clean it, and wash the windows and the curtains and other things in the house, just to do a general spring cleaning of some sort. Plus, my windows are for the new extension are not clean. They still have putty. The putty is still not yet dry, so I'm just leaving it. I'll do it when we closed. So in this video, I'm just going to have 2 loads. You saw it. And guys, something happened after doing my laundry. When I go home, I prefer to hang it in my place. By the way, if you are new to my channel, my name is Elizabeth. I do laundry at my mother's place. It's a 5-minute drive away from my house. So I do it there because I take advantage of the washing machine. Plus, we do not have enough water. I do buy water from the trucks, and yeah, I can just do laundry with the water that I buy, when I can just go home and do laundry there with the machine. And even though the water comes, it runs once a week on a weekend, but they have a bigger storage than mine. So yeah, that's why I'm here. I'm doing laundry there at my mother's place. Give this video a thumbs up and just share it to motivate others. So in this video, I went there, and like I was tired in the morning, I just woke up and went there to do it. Anyway, we just force ourselves. If you are a mother, you know some things you just do them because they need to be done, not that you want to do it. After doing my laundry, that's when I left it, guys. I was not aware. I just left my laundry there. Then I picked up my powdered soap, I picked up everything, picked up my tripod and my phone that I used to film, put it in the car, and I left the laundry in the bathroom. I went home. When I arrived at home, they called me. I'm busy setting up my camera to go hang in the laundry with you guys. In the sun, it was hot. It was a hot day. It was on a Saturday. So when I'm busy, my younger sister called me. I'm sure you will see her feed going up and down behind me as the video goes on. When I'm doing that, she calls and say, "Where is your laundry?" And I'm checking in the car. There is nothing. It didn't even click. The way I am so tired, guys. I don't want anything at this moment. I need to just sleep. Fine. I couldn't go back, so my mother already took it and hanged it there at their washing line. So I just switched off my camera and then put away the tripod as I was setting it up. So guys, at this time of a year, I think everyone else is tired. I think everyone else needs some rest. Yeah, my mind is not functioning very well. I need to just bring back everything by just sitting down, not doing nothing. I wish I had a helper whereby I can just wake up I get a breakfast, I just put the dishes there, then they are done by the helper or anything. Bath and sleep. Go out if I need to go out, but home chores, I just need to stay away from it and stay away from work. But anyway, in a wink of an eye, we will be closing and I will be resting. Not exactly resting, but I will be having a few moments for myself. So yeah, guys, I hope you are good. And how have you been? And I think after missing a few uploads, the comeback for me is laundry. I use a laundry video to come back. So yeah, and I think they are following each other. Last time it was laundry. I thought I would do some other things, but I couldn't because my weekends were hectic. And as of now, I think I'm going to have commitments over every weekend. So I might miss a lot of uploads, but I'll make a plan. And the reason why I don't even film in the afternoon is because maybe I'm tired that day, or the sun is not shining so well, the lighting is not so good. That's when I don't even just try to make a video in the afternoon. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and do share it with your friends and your family and other people. This is the last laundry for the day. So that's when I was going to take it and put it behind the door so that I can clean whatever I was using, clean the machine, clean the floor, and I will be good to go. But then, to my knowledge, I didn't even know that I left it. So yeah, luckily I left it at home. Imagine if it was at the laundromat, but they will keep it safe anyway. So I think I'm tired. I cannot take it anymore. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you so much, and please do give it a like. And thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you.